So in today's video tutorial, I want to demonstrate to you guys how to delete a Google Tag Manager container in your Google Tag Manager account. So if you don't know how to do this, then this is the right video for you, right? So the first thing that you have to do is to just go to your browser and type tagmanager.google.com. So once you do that, you're going to be having an interface just like this one. But however, if you are not on the right Google Tag Manager account that has the container that you want to delete, there's no problem. All you have to do is to go to the header section of your dashboard, right? Then locate where you can see your Gmail account here, right? So on my own end here, like this is my Gmail account with this my photo icon, right? So click on it, then select the right Gmail account that has the Google Tag Manager account that the container is in it that you want to delete, right? So if the Gmail account is not here, all you have to do is just click on this add account, right, to add the right Gmail account that has the Google Tag Manager account that you want to remove the container. Now once you have done that, the next thing is to scroll down and then select the right Google Tag Manager container that you want to remove, right? So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say I want to remove this particular container, right? This grandrichgroup.com. Let's say I want to remove this particular container. So if I want to remove it, there's no problem. It's very hard. It's just very simple something to do, right? So all I have to do is just to come here where you're seeing this settings icon, right? So click on this settings icon. Just wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, click on this container settings here. So this arrow that you're seeing here in front of this container settings, right? Click on it. So once you click on it, come to the header section again where you're seeing this save button, right? So these three dots, these three vertical dots, right? So click on these three vertical dots and you're going to see an option to delete, right? So click on the option to delete. So once you confirm the delete whatever here, it's going to go into the bin for the next 30 days. So after the next 30 days, it's going to be permanently removed from your Google Tag Manager account. Should in case like you're doing this by error, or maybe you have a second thought and you want to like restore the container, right? So that is why you are giving a grace period of 30 days. So if there's any changes that you want to do, like you can actually go back and restore it within that 30 days. But then after the 30th day, you cannot do anything again. It's going to be permanently removed from your Google Tag Manager account. So let's say I want to remove this particular container, right? All I have to do is to click on this confirmation delete button here, and the Google Tag Manager account is going to be removed from this Google Tag Manager account. So this is all you guys need to know about the steps to follow to remove any Google Tag Manager container on your Google Tag Manager account. So if you gain value from this video, do not forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel for valuable content like this. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video shortly.